keeping the required RPM is very essential in this type, and all other machines it is very necessary. For that reason, I have already told you how to control a motor through worm gear and a pulley. So you must keep it to RPM, rotation per minute. I have already said that it should not exceed from 15 to 20. Okay. So the slow process will be very highly effective one, and I shall try it now to show you by pouring some material. I am not sure whether this motor will hold that load or not, but I shall pour. Okay, to show you only, I want to show you. I am now opening the upper lid, so I may pour this way. I am pouring. It is a light one, sawdust. You see, I am pouring. While pouring, you should keep the drum mouth upward, like that. I have poured some. I am not sure that my motor will carry the load. Even then. Okay. Okay. MashaAllah. It is doing job. Okay. Okay, I am pleased. Yeah. I am very much pleased to see that the drum is moving, and this is small. Let me try to slow it more. Okay, this way. When the drum goes up, the materials goes down. You see here, in this way it comes again. Yeah, it has come in the bottom, and each time the obstacles placed inside the drum uh, makes it mix. Okay, thank you for your viewing. And here one thing, I am highly certified that there is no leak from the lid, and also from any other place sides. I shall try again. More slow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very good, very good, very good, very nice. Yeah, very nice. Thank you, machine. Very nice. I am very happy by seeing this the function. You please see how it is going to miss each and every time it is coming up and down. You see. Okay, my small motor has done the job. Thank you, motor. Thank you, machine. Okay, okay, okay. Next time I shall put some color to see whether it is being met. And anyhow, you must remain confident that this type of machine will mix all your products, powder mixture, powder products very efficiently and without any yeah. And this type of machine will run for a very long time. There is nothing to waste. Okay, thank you. Now the question is with the volume uh, of this drum, how much you will keep. For this reason, it is advisable you measure the volume of your powder material. If it is for 50 kg, if it takes such and such a volume or a place, then you should make the drum. If it is of say 25 kg volume, you must make the drum for holding 50 kg of that volume of materials. And for 100 to for 50 kg, you must use 100 kg volume as type of drum. It will be better. And from 50% to you may keep a 60 and 40, 60% of a material and 40% the vacant place, so that the material should mixed uniformly. And in my view, if you keep 50%, that is half of the volume of the of this drum, it will be better. What I have seen you, and as you experiment and see what will be the volume of this drum. Okay, I have shown you how I will pour the material inside this drum. Okay, this way. But while taking, why how you can take it? We normally open the lid, unscrew all the clips and take the lid away. Now we rotate it by our hand and it will come down. We keep a ball inside the drum. You see here, I am pouring the metals out. Oh, my grip is not this way. You have seen, and all the material should come into this ball. Yeah, like this, like this. My ball is shorter than the volume of this material, so it has spilled out. Otherwise, you keep a distance here of at least 1 feet, here a gap, here a gap, so that you may place the ball very nicely. Okay, this is the process is that. And now my clip is moving. This I am telling you about that this clip or lock may go out, so that, yeah, I have taken out all the materials, and this is the way. While pouring, you keep it here, open the lid, and pour the material, lock the clips, rotate it, and after finishing the work, you just remove the lid outside and try to make it downward this position. I shall see again. See here, I have taken the materials. It is sawdust for it is a very light one, so that I have choose it, and I am going to pour it into drum. The materials normally is poured the drum with a scoop. I am pouring this in this way. I am pressing the lid and locking the clips this way, and I shall start it again. Okay, okay, okay. Normally it takes 15 to 30 minutes for better mixing uh, of the ingredients. This mixing is required. Why? Because you see that here the base material is, for example, is of 50 kg, and you are mixing some vitamins of 100 grams only. So how you can mix it properly? So you must mix it or revolve this drum for so many times until all the uh, mm, products are mixed thoroughly. Okay, understand? We can rotate it, the big drum also, by hand, because it is on ball bearing, and there will be no problem. And then you unclip, and I am unlocking the clips this way, here, taking away the upper lid. Okay, and then I shall place a ball below the drum, and you see how I am taking it. When you will down it, it will come here, here. And you see, I've taken all the materials in my ball and I'm taking it away. Okay, now you can wash it for another batch, or if the batch is same, you do not require to wash it. You mix another batch, the next batch in this state. Okay, I think you have completely understand the function and how it works and the making of the machine. I have just uh, tell you on my first video, and next time I shall make for you another machine which will rotate. It is a vertical type, and it will rotate uh, horizontal type. And the next machine will be a conical flask, conical blender. Uh, let us see how these are made. Okay, thank you, and I shall request for your comments. If any comments you require, you please tell me, and I shall reply you. Okay, thank you very much for viewing these videos and learning the technicality and all the functions I have tried with this my least capacity. I have a very least capacity. Particularly, I am in trouble with financial, so I can't expend more on this making this video and this machine. Uh, but I have told you that I shall try my best to let you understand uh, about how to make machine, and I always think that you should do it yourself. You just learn it, the making of machine and how it works, and then I shall be pleased if you will be making the machine yourself. And if complete, you please tell me that you have completed. This will be a very good news for me. Thank you very much. Thank you all.